大家好 Welcome to Learn with Lena 5 Daily Expressions in Chinese. I'm Elena. Today, we will learn these 5 daily expressions. Now, listen carefully and read after me. Number 1. 好吃吗？好吃吗？ Is it tasty? Number 2. 好吃好吃 tasty. Number 3. 画面卡住了画面卡住了 The picture is frozen. You can use this sentence when you are watching a movie or a video and suddenly the picture is frozen. Number 4. 太难了太难了 It's too difficult. Number 5. 太简单了太简单了 Too easy. Now, let's come to today's keywords. 好吃好吃 Adjective. Tasty, delicious. 画面画面 Noun. Picture of movie or video. 卡住卡住 Adjective. Stuck. 难难 Adjective. Difficult. 简单简单 Adjective. Easy, simple. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website or Facebook page. See you next time. 再见。